So we are going to do something interesting today. Uh, we'll ask ChatGPT to solve a lead code problem. So let's just dive into it. Uh, we'll actually start with an easy problem, which I was not able to solve. Uh, we'll start with an easy problem. Okay, what problem should we give? Mm-mm. Actually, I've solved these, so we won't give this. Yes, we'll give an easy problem to ChatGPT and see if it can solve it or not. Where's ChatGPT? Okay. Let's see if this solves it or not. Write a Python code or okay, we'll just paste this problem first and let's see what ChatGPT does. Uh, okay, so ChatGPT is not writing us any code. Okay, so the code is in Python. Uh, okay, so what does ChatGPT says? One approach to solving this problem is to use a hash map to store the mapping between each letter in the pattern and the corresponding words in the string. Then for each letter in the pattern, you can check if if has been previously mapped to the same word in the string as previous mapping. If not, return false if all the letters in the pattern have valid mapping. Return true. Given a pattern and a string, find if s follows the same pattern. Okay, let's copy and paste this. Where is our lead code? Yes, I think this might do it. Uh, we need this. Even the function name is same. Wow. Let's see what happens. Okay. Wow. Well, this works. So ChatGPT sure can solve a lead code problem. But let's see. Well, the solution is quite good also. Well, okay, let's see if ChatGPT can solve a medium level problem, but of course we cannot access it. Leet Code Premium. Uh, Content say, should we try this? Yes, this this looks like a tough problem. ChatGPT, let's see if you can solve this. The previous problem was very easy. Let's see if you can solve this. Okay. It is writing something. Code is pretty short. One approach to solving this problem is to iterate over n starting from 1 and repeatedly apply say operation. Here are some example code. What is a say operation? Okay, let's see if this works or not. Where is our lead code? paste this and let's see what happens. Does it work? Is it going to work? Okay, what does it say? Count and say is not defined. Why is count and say is not defined? Okay, so this needs to be a self function. Now this should work. Okay, ChatGPT is not quite accurate, but of course ChatGPT does not know that we have to create a solution class for this. We can of course adjust that much. Uh, let's see if this works. Okay, this this is also solved. Medium level problem is solved by ChatGPT. Should we try it for hard problem? Okay, let's go and try it for hard problem. First missing positive. This is a hard problem. Given an unsorted integer array in nums, return the smallest missing positive integer. Okay, so you know this is a problem which does not include graphs and linked lists and heaps. This is a relatively easy problem. It is hard, but it is relatively easy here compared to the other problems which comprises of graphs and other advanced data structures. So let's just paste this and let's see if ChatGPT can solve this. Okay, so we will what we'll do for the optimization part that we have to implement here, we have to implement an algorithm that runs in big of n. So we will not give this input to ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT has created its solution, we will then give this input and ask ChatGPT to optimize it. Let's see if ChatGPT can give us the most optimized solution without asking for it. As a marker for the present positive integer, the algorithm goes as follows. Okay, okay, fine, missing positive. Hmm, I think it is a big of n solution already. Yes, it is a big of n solution already. So what would happen if we ask ChatGPT to optimize it? Okay, so ChatGPT is saying that whatever the previous solution was, it is a big of n complexity solution, and we can use that. Uh, is it the same? Okay, it is the same. Uh, so can you optimize it? Can you optimize? It will ask if ChatGPT can optimize it. Okay, so it is running something. Let's see if it is same as the previous two solutions. Uh, and is equal to for r in range 1. We have we are starting from 1 and we are going forward. It looks same. It looks same, or it doesn't actually. No, okay, so it is not same. We can see some optimizations over here. Okay, so we'll just paste this and see if Leet Code accepts this. Well, I attempted it. No, okay, so this is other problem. Even the function names are same. How is it possible? I mean, was ChatGPT trained on Leet Code problems? or to be precise, Leet Code solutions. Let's see if this works. Okay, so ChatGPT technically can solve a hard Leet Code problem. Wow, that's that's pretty impressive. Uh, okay, so what we will do now, these were array-based problems. No linked list and no graphs or no binary trees were involved in it. We will probably try a hard problem which has all these advanced data structures. So let's just try one problem from graph. Uh, let's just try one problem from graph, and we want it to be a hard one. No, we are not going to solve a problem which involves matrix traversals because that will be relatively easier. Okay, so let's now select the uh, let's select the toughest one with least accuracy. Parallel courses, or we'll look for another problem. Let's ask ChatGPT to solve this problem. This looks like a tough one. Let's see what ChatGPT does. The problem can be solved using topological sorting. Can we solve this? You've given an integer n which indicates that there are n courses level from 1 to n. Relations is equal to previous knows expectations. Okay. If this works, then coding interviews are done. Literally, if this works, then no one is going to study for coding interviews. Everyone is going to use ChatGPT application for their coding interviews. Okay, let's see if this works. Hmm. Okay, at least the function name is not same in here. The function name is different for this problem. Let's see. Let's see if this runs. Okay, no. What does it say? Index list out of range. N plus 1. Okay. Okay. Solution of minimum number of semesters. Let's see if we can fix this problem. Q of I. What line do we have this problem? We have this on 15. What does it say? For V in addition of Q of J. Uh, so essentially this Q of G does not exist in a list, or the index that Q of J has. Uh, is out of bounds. So what we'll do, we'll just take this error and we are going to feed it to ChatGPT, and we are going to say that your solution is causing this error, and let's see how ChatGPT reacts. Your solution causes the following error. Oh, sorry, come on. Okay, the error is queue list becoming empty before the loop terminates. You can add and check to avoid the error as follows. Okay. So what happens? Let's see. Let's just copy paste the solution. Uh, Come on, work, man. It still causes one another error. We are still going to feed it to ChatGPT and see what happens. This code also produces an error. Let's see. The error is likely caused by J going out of bounds in inner loops. You can add a check to avoid the error as follows. Did ChatGPT say the same thing before? No. ChatGPT was targeting Q. Now it is targeting J. Let's see if this works now. Where is Leet Code? So it is taking time. It is not like previous problem where ChatGPT produced the solution pretty early. Okay, so one test case has passed and the other test case has failed. Uh, we'll take a look at failed test case. Can we give it to ChatGPT? We'll give this feedback to ChatGPT and let's see how does ChatGPT reacts. The output for n is equals to 5, relations is equal to this, and k is equals to 2 should be 4, but the code is producing output as 3. Let's see what ChatGPT says. The error caused by updating the queue after the inner loop has finished processing all elements in the current batch of K courses. This causes some of the courses to be processed multiple times in different semesters. To avoid this, you should only update the queue list after processing all batches of K courses. Here is the corrected code. Well, ChatGPT is really intelligent. Let's see if this updated code works or passes all the test cases. Okay. This is really fun, man. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT works. No, no, no. This is still failing. This is still failing. One last time. We are going to ask ChatGPT one last time. Uh, the above problem still persists. Now this time it is introducing new queue. Last time we had no concept of new queue. Okay. This problem is challenging for ChatGPT. And I guessed it correct. Once graphs are involved, uh, problems become way more difficult. Let's see. One last time if this works or not. Boom, 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 boom. Well, if we look at the continuity of the code, ChatGPT hasn't changed a lot of things. The first code that we pasted over here is still very much similar to the code that we are pasting right now. So we can conclude that ChatGPT is currently building on its previous solution. So no, the errors still persist, hence it is proved that ChatGPT cannot solve a hard level lead code problem which comprises of graphs and other advanced data structures. Well, I can keep on going and keep asking ChatGPT that this problem still persists, but I don't think that ChatGPT will be able to get to a solution that actually works for all the test cases. If you want, you guys can try. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you.